Hi there! Hey, hi there! Welcome back! Today we are working on the Ferrari again, and look who we have here. Mark is back. Yes, yes. So what we're gonna start with, and I'm gonna show you this piece, and I think you might have seen the 3D printed part already, because that was this one. The bumper brackets I made after the first version I made, but we're gonna throw the first version away. Oh, and we got some extra bodywork to do. So now we got the steel. I'm gonna show you. Yes, here the steel brackets. They fit on the bumper, and I'm gonna try to film it the right way. They fit on the bumper like this. Can you see it? Yes. Yeah, I got some new gear, but I have to get used to it. And when it's on the bumper, it's going to fit like this. Can you see it? Yes. And then you can adjust them this way, and that way. So what we're gonna do today is first install the new brackets and have a look if we can make the bumper fit more perfectly than we already had fitted them. So let's get started. Well, you could probably see that we were struggling a little bit trying to get the bumper on. That's when you have new things, then you have to discover how you do it. We found how do you call it? An adjusting.
We found a way to align it.
Yeah, the right alignment. Yes. So if you have a look, don't look at my here. We marked now the lining we want, and we're gonna have to put another bolt on the left side or right side of the car, just to make it fit a little better. Then we're gonna mount it back on the car and leave it there until the car is going to be painted. So this is better. I have to get used to it, guys. I got some new toys, but so I just discovered that I have to. Okay, well, no problem. This is what we're doing. Yes. Well, the bumper is mounted again. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see if you can see it. With the new brackets, I think I showed you this about 10 times, and I told you that I mounted the bumper, I think also 10 times. Doesn't care, doesn't matter, because now finally we have the correct brackets. So we're gonna now clean up this mess, and we're gonna do something fun. Do you see this? Yes, you do see this. And we got the manifolds right there. Oh, it's quite difficult. There, yes. And we're gonna clean them and finish the heat band tape. Well, we're gonna start cleaning the manifolds. Here, as you can see, mark work in progress. Cleaning it with some brake cleaner and some raw cleaning how you cloth denk ik they call. And then after that I'm gonna show you what it looks like. We're gonna wrap the pipes with heat insulation. Oh, sorry, heat shieldings. And well, that's a personal touch on the car. It's not original, but it's gonna keep the heat in the pipes, and I like it. If you look at the modern supercars, the hypercars, they all have such a neat engine bay. So I decided not to replace the pipes, but just coat them with the heat shieldings, and I think that's gonna look fantastic. So let's get to work. Okay, well, the manifolds are clean. Here, can you see it? Ah, you were looking at the beer, I know. Um, it's quite heavy, but I'm gonna try. Here, this is the manifold. The upper part, the lower part it is. Yes, the lower part we're not gonna give some heat shielding, because clearly it is designed to let go of the heat. So we're only gonna do the upper part and have a look at how we're going to fit it in. Well, can you see mine? Ta-da. I'm gonna make a better video. Heavy. Well, while Mark is still struggling, can you see him? Yes, a little bit. Smart me, I gave him the big part. Don't get mad. mine is finished. I think it looks quite okay, to be honest. Was quite a challenge, just getting I'm gonna, if you can see it, yes, getting these on the right way, and I have to do some minor adjustments at some parts, but my I believe that when they are on the car after a year or so, then you're gonna probably discover where the faults are. So I got a project for the coming winter or the winter after that, of course, yeah, because simply the car is not ready this winter. But well, I'm pretty happy with the result so far. So what we're gonna do now is finish it up, and I'm gonna show you how the package is aligned, and maybe you guys can think with us. If you see here the Novellari exhaust we got, should we do the last two pipes with the heat shield or not? Somehow I think it could look okay, but on the other hand, well, Novellari exhaust is a different part, different function, and it's so much on the outside of the car, maybe it's also not necessary. So we'll see. I'm gonna help Mark finish this up, and I'm gonna show you the final result when we are ready. Well, done. This is the result of our work today. As you can probably, hopefully see, I hope now while I'm sitting in my own shadow, but this is my Novellari Super Sport exhaust. Then you have the straight pipes as a replacement of the cats, the connection pipe, manifold number 1, the main pipe that goes to the back, and then manifold number 2. Completely packed with heat shielding, and the only problem now is we still haven't got the engine. I want it. Yes, please give me back my engine. Never mind. Sorry. So, well, job done, I guess. Wait 1 second. I like to see you when I talk to you. Mark, thank you very, very, very much, man. I really appreciate your help, and I think we did a great job today with the bumper on the front. And look at the weather, guys. Yeah, it's terrible. So hopefully we can get the exhaust system back on the engine soon, because that would be fantastic. But for now, I want to thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you again next time. And don't forget, like, subscribe, make some reclame. How do you call it? Promote my channel. Yes, please. Yes, I want to help more people. No, I need more help. No. Never mind. Just promote it so everybody watches this, and then we're gonna make some great content in the future. Yes? Okay, thank you and goodbye.